श्यामला वार्तालिबाला समेत श्री ललितांबिकायै नमः। श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। त्रयी त्रिवर्गनिलया त्रिष्टा त्रिपुरमालिनी निरामया निरालंबा स्वात्मा रामा सुधा श्रुतिः। Trayi. Trayi is referring to the Vedas. So you got Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda. So which are the three main Vedas. The fourth is the Atharva Veda. But the name Trayi refers to the three Vedas. Because she is Veda Janani, she is Gayatri, she is Vyahriti. So she is Trayi. So Rig Veda is in the form of Shloka, Yajurveda is in the form of Gadyam, and Samaveda is in the form of Ganam. So Trayi. Trayi Trivarga Nilaya. Trivarga. You talked about Swarga, Apavarga, Trivarga. So Trivargas are Dharma, Artha and Kama. They are the Trivargas. And she is in the Trivargas. So she is Trivarga Dhatri. She is the Trivarga Nilaya. So Trivarga Dhatri is one who gives the Trivargas, Dharma, Artha, Kama. And Nilaya means she is in that Trivarga Nilaya. So all sukhas we experience is her. So because she is Ananda Swarupini. So Dharma, Artha. So Trivargas mean Dharma, Artha, Kama, or it is Dharma, Artha, Kama put together and Moksha. So she is Trivarga Nilaya. So she is in that. The other meaning of Trivarga Nilaya is the three Vargas, which is the Akara, Ukara, Makara in the Pranava. In the Omkara you got Akara, Ukara, Makara. So she is in that Omkara or Pranava Swarupa. Trivarga Nilaya. Trayi Trivarga Nilaya. Trishta. Trishta is essentially referring to the three things. When we talked about the name Tripura, we talked about all the three things. So the entire Brahmanda is kind of made up of three things. So you got three worlds, Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka, Suvarloka. You got three gunas, Sattva, Rajo, Tamoguna. You got three Vedas, Rig, Yajur, Sama. You got three Vidya, Sankhya Vidya, Yoga Vidya, Vedanta. You got three types of fires. You got three states of consciousness, Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti. You got three ashramas, which is Brahmachari, Grihastha, Vanaprastha. You got three doshas, which is Vata, Pitta, Kapha. And you got three kalas, day, night and Sandhya Kala. You got three types of Jyotish, Agni, Surya, Chandra. And within Omkara you got three matras, which is Akara, Ukara, Makara. So Trishta is essentially a kind of name for Saraswati Devi, the Gnana Swarupini. And so the meaning is pretty much like Tripura. And it's coming in that section, Trayi Trivarga Nilaya Trishta. So this is referring to the Saraswati Devi here, Shastramayi. Trayi Trivarga Nilaya Trishta Tripura Malini. So Tripura Malini is one of the Chakreshwaris. So in the Sri Chakra you got Nava Avaranas, 9 Avaranas, and each Avarana has got a Chakreshwari, and Tripura Malini is the Antar Dashahara Chakra. So you have Tripura, Tripureshi, Tripura Sundari, Tripura Vasini, Tripura Malini, Tripura Siddha, Tripuramba. So Tripura Malini is the Chakreshwari for the Antar Dashahara Chakra, which is the 10 triangled Avarana between the Bahir Dashara and the Ashtakona Chakra. This is Sarva Rakshakara Chakra, Tripura Malini. Now Malini is we have talked about Malini, Hamsini, right? So the Malini, you got Padma Malini, you got Hema Malini, which is the row of the lotus, which is the Shat Chakras. Tripura Malini. So within the Sharira, you got Manas, Buddhi and Chittam, which is the Puratrayam or the Tripura Malini. So Trivarga Nilaya, Trishta, Tripura Malini, Niramaya, Niralamba, Swatmarama, Sudasrutihi. Amaya, what is Amaya? Amaya is Adis and Vyadis. So Vyadi is disease, physical. Adi is mental, or the disorder of the mind is Adi. The disorder of the physical body is Vyadi. Put together, they are called as Amaya. Niramaya means she is free of those. She has no Amaya or Niramaya, because she has no Sharira and there is no need for her to have Sharira, because she is the Atma Swarupini or Chaitanya Rupini or consciousness. So she is Niramaya. So Amaya is the quality of our Sharira, which is vulnerable to Vyadi, physical disease or the mental disorder. Niramaya, Niralamba, Alambanam. What is Alambanam? Alambanam is support. Niralamba is without support. So she doesn't, she is the support of everybody. She supports the entire Brahmanda, but she is Niralamba, without support. Right? So the Samadhi Sthiti is the Niralamba. Niramaya, Niralamba, these two names are essentially referring to the Nirguna Brahma form. Just like we have all those names: Nirakara, Nirakula, Nirlepa, Nirmala, Nitya, Nitya Shuddha, right? Nitya Buddha, Niravadya, Nirantara, Nishkarana, Nishkalanka, Nirupadir, Nirishwara, right? So in that series you get Niralamba, without support. So this is referring to the Nirguna Brahma. So for every name you can take the opposite of it, like Amaya is the physical disease and mental disorder, Alambanam, so we are dependent on something for our Sukha, right? But she is one without support, Niralamba, or doesn't need support. Swatma Rama, Rama is here to rejoice, right? Swatma Rama is she is rejoicing in herself, or she is not dependent on the Brahmanda for happiness, because she herself is the Ananda Swarupini. Swatma Rama. Swa Atma Rama. Swa is her own. Atma Rama. So our happiness is not dependent on Prapancha, like the way we are dependent on Prapancha for our happiness, because we are Indriya Ramas. What Ramas? Indriya Ramas. Our happiness, we derive it from our Indriyas, right? So when we see a beautiful object in the material world, you feel happy. You taste something that's really delicious, you feel happy. You listen to good music, you feel happy. So all our happiness is dependent on the Indriyas here, because we are Indriya Ramas. So our happiness is dependent upon what is happening in the external world. So Swatma Rama is that state where one is happy within oneself. And for that state of happiness, you don't need external events to happen, which basically means that one can be in that eternal state of happiness without being unduly dependent on the external world for happiness or the Indriyas. Swatma Rama. So the happiness that is there within you. So the Jivan Muktas, that we talked about, Ramana Maharshi, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, and lots of other yogis in India, for example, they were all in the Swatma Rama state. So, Swatma Rama state. Sudha Srutihi. Sudha Srutihi. Sudha is, so we talked about Sudha Sagara Madhyastha, Kamakshi, Kamadayini. Sudha, so she is in the midst of the Sudha Sagara. Sudha Srutihi. Sudha Srutihi. Sudha is Amritam or nectar. Srutihi is stream, because she is Amriteshwari. She is Amrita Chaitanya Rupini. So we talked about Sudha. When we talked about Sudha Sagara Madhyastha, I mentioned that Sudha word meaning is Sushtu Dhyate, Sukena Dhyate iti Sudha. So when somebody is in that Swatma Rama state, the Sudha Sruti is happening inside. So when we talked about Kundalini going breaking the knots, Mooladharaika Nilaya Brahma Granthi Vibedine, Manipuranta Rudita Vishnu Granthi Vibedine, Agna Chakrantaralasta Rudra Granthi Vibedine, Sahasrarambujaruda Sudha Sarabi Varshini. Sudha Sarabi Varshini. That is the name here. Sudha Srutihi. So this is coming in that sequence. Niramaya, Niralamba, Swatma Rama, Sudha Srutihi. So for yogis that are in this Swatma Rama state, there is this Sudha Sruti inside them that gives the happiness. And this Sudha Sruti is the Lalitambika, who is in the Sahasrara Chakra Chandra Bimba Chandra Mandala. When it melts, you get the shower of nectar. Niramaya Niralamba Swatma Rama Sudha Srutihi. So may she give us that state of happiness. Trayi Trivarga Nilaya Trista Tripuramalini Niramaya Niralamba Swatma Rama Sudha Srutihi. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.